Okay, I didn't do it before on this one. This is an existing bathroom. The square orange and white were already here, the tiles. It was a completely different bath, and there was a badly tiled floor on a piece of ply that was kind of loosely screwed, and it was sort of loose and the tiles were slightly loose. So that came out and that came out. Stripped the floor. I took the existing bath out, not this one obviously, and there was virtually no wall surface in behind there. It all peeled off and fallen off under the bath. There was lumps of plasterboard, lumps of plaster, all sorts. So I've rebuilt the wall there, and then I've tiled it, as you can see. I did. There was exposed plumbing here with big handled valves, and the pipework was in the wrong place to supply this bath, so I altered it under the floor inside that box out, and there's a removable panel. You can just kind of see some grout joints that aren't grouted, they're silicone. So there's a silicone joint and there's a silicone joint. That panel pops out and the valves are behind there, and the pipework comes back down and comes up these nice chrome inside the chrome shrouds, and then you've got a chrome overflow and a chrome waste pipe. I did some refreshing of the grout up there. It doesn't always work very well, it's sort of okay. And the old bath was 700, this is 750, so I've had to extend this bit here out and then retile it, rebuild it, retile it, rebuilt the box out for the toilet, put the skirting on. The customer painted the skirting from there to there. There's a patch of filler just there that will need to be rubbed down when it's dry and painted. Retiled the floor completely, and then put the basin back and the loo back, put the new bath in. Now this bath is a roll top stroke shower bath, which has to be tiled underneath and behind, and you leave a slot out and you slot the bath into it, and then you silicone, do all the connections. Anyway, that's the end of this one. Oh, a few other accessories, new accessories.